In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit or delete a notification. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Notifications. From your list of notifications, select the one you would like to edit. That notification's details should appear to the right. Now you can make any changes you want to. If you don't want to receive email reports, click the arrow next to Yes and choose No. To change the day you're receiving reports, use the boxes next to the day of the week. Maybe I'll change this from Monday to Tuesday. You can also change what is included in that report. Maybe I don't want my calendar, I just want the schedule and swap board. So I will uncheck calendar. And maybe I want more than the next 14 days. Maybe I want the next 3 weeks. So I'll click the arrow next to 14 days and choose 21 days. Now my daily report will not be in an email, and it will happen on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It will show the schedule and swap board and 3 weeks worth of information. I can also change the alerts for this location's notifications. If I scroll down, maybe in addition to seeing the shifts that are becoming available, I also want to see when shifts are claimed or removed. So I will check the box next to posted shifts are claimed or removed by manager. If you don't want to save your changes, don't do anything. If you're happy with these edits and want them to go into effect, click Save. Now my changes have been saved. Notice next to Copy Shop C, Daily is now red. That means that I don't have my email reports turned on. Also, there is a green Swap Available and Swap Out. That's letting me know that I do have those instant alerts turned on. If I changed my mind and I don't want any of these notifications for this location at all, I can click Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this notification. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. That's how you can edit and delete your notifications. Check out the next video to learn how to create a feedback survey.